Hi, this is Mark Winiger here at the Exertis Almo E4 show in Dallas. What we were showcasing here is a 2x2 setup of our FA series dvLED video wall. Just a quick demo to show pixel cards, 8 of them to a module here. They are interchangeable, so if you want to do a larger pixel pitch at first, then you want to upgrade to a smaller pixel pitch later, you can do that without having to replace any of the cabinetry in the back. Great thing about these products, there's no end limit to how big they can get. We do have an FA and an FE series bundle setup, 135-inch, 165-inch, 220-inch that do come with installation. So it's a one-stop shop for any direct view LED bundle size that your customer is looking for. This is just part of our direct view LED lineup. We do also have an E series product. I did mention the FE series and then a newly launched FC series. So we do have a wide range of dvLED products. And we also do have 2 LED specialists that are here to help your customers design the perfect setup for their direct view LED wall. That's all that I have here for the dvLED. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your Exertis Almo account manager, or you can visit their website, www.exertisalmo.com. Thanks everyone, have a good day.